So guys, have you ever used beard shampoos before? If you have, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you like, what sort of scent you like. Go crazy, go wild with it. If you've never used it before though, stick around, watch this video. We're just going to tell you what it is and how you should be using it. So really simply, beard shampoo is very similar to head shampoo. It's designed to clean the beard, to get rid of grease, residue, dirt, grime. It's just not as harsh as head shampoo. There are many more hairs on top of our heads than there are in our beards. Hair shampoo is designed to tackle all of those. If you used it on your beard, it strips it away. Trust me, I know. I've done various little tests just to see if beard shampoo is just marketing guff. I mean, some beard shampoos are pretty shit, but that's another story. So in essence, that's all beard shampoo is. It's specifically designed to clean your beards a lot more gently than the hair on your heads. But how do you use it? It's so simple. What you want to do is you want to jump in the shower, in the bath, however you wash your beard. Get your beard very wet. I like to get mine dripping wet. It just seems to help with the application of the product. I then squirt, squeeze, scoop out my beard wash or shampoo depending on the brand you are using. And I'm not going to talk about shampoo bars in this video. I'm just talking about like the liquid stuff. So you've got that now in your hands. Lightly work it between your hands just to get some coverage across all of your hands and your fingers, and then really get it into the skin underneath the beard. Kind of similar to how you would apply a beard butter or oil or balm or any other product. You want to tackle the skin as well as the hair. Really get that through and just massage it through until there's none left on your hands. I would then typically leave it for 30 seconds to 2 minutes depending on how strong that beard shampoo is. You kind of only know once you've used it a few times, and then you just rinse it through with the shower head, or you just dunk your face in the bath and rinse it all out, and your beard's going to be feeling very fresh. It might feel a little bit drier sometimes. You will find that it's stripped away some of the oils, some of the good stuff. So what you want to do as soon as you're out of the shower or bath or wherever you are, just lightly towel dry the beard, get some beard oil into your hands, work it through the slightly moist beard, job done. You can then just go and finish it off with your normal beard care routine. So that's it guys, that's what beard shampoo is, and that's how you use it very quickly. I'll see you again very soon guys, goodbye.